Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my Whelen Command software tutorials, and today we'll be discussing how you can create your own tricolored flash patterns through Command. So for those of you who don't know, Command only offers one actual tricolored flash pattern, and that's a long flash trio. On tricolored light heads themselves, they do have a multitude of tricolored flash patterns, but none of those are available to be utilized throughout Command. So if you want to have a custom tricolored flash pattern, something that's going to be a little bit different, then this is how you do it. So we're going to come in here to Command. This is going to be the same process through Carbide, Cantril, Encore, as well as Smart Logic. So we're going to set this up to be on slide level 3. Come into your low current. We're just going to get these some colors so that's a better visualization of what's happening. So we're going to say we have two red, blue, white tricolored ions, and they're going to be activated on level 3 for the white. So if you come in here and you look up long flash trio, this is the only tricolored flash pattern there is available in Command. And so what it does is just a very boring, very basic pattern. And how you would set it up if you did want to use this pattern is that each color trigger gets the number applied to it. So your first color would be long flash trio 1, second color would be 2, and third color would be 3. So in this one, red would flash first, then blue, then white. So we're gonna delete that because we don't want that anymore. So what we're going to do, as you can see my cursor is already hovered over it, is set up a virtual input. And so this is going to be VI trio. And what we're going to do is this is going to be a cycling input. So for this part, this is how you're actually going to set this up. So press 1 is going to be your primary two colors. So you would set these to run for however many seconds you want them to run for. So we'll say 2 seconds. The next one is going to be your third color. So this could be white, amber, green, red, who knows, whatever color you want to be your third color. So we're going to set this up for 1 second. So here you go, you have that set up. And so what it's going to do is your press 1 is going to be your regular dual color flash pattern. So I very much love Ultra, but we'll do Action Flash or Action Scan. Alright, and then for your dual color lights, as you know or should know, the phase has to be set to either 0 or 180, so opposite of what the other color is. So because red's on 0, blue will be on 180. If you don't set it to 0 or 180, then it's going to flash over each other. They cannot be on the same phase, and they can also not be on, say, phase 45 or 90 or something like that. Also, I just realized I forgot that Action Scan actually does, the phases do overlap, so you will get overlapping colors as seen there. So we're not going to do Action Scan. We're going to go down and do one of my favorites, which is Ultra Scan. So we'll just reassign those. And then, as you can see, we won't have any issues with colors overlapping because 1, that can create an ugly color mess of a purple blob, and 2, more importantly, it can also potentially damage your light heads or light bars, so let's not do that. So how this is going to work is that when this is activated, your dual color flash is going to flash for 2 seconds, and then your third one will be whichever is your third color. So white, for example, here, and we're going to set this to be on single flash 300. You can either alternate these or have them flash at the same time. I like having them flash at the same time. It gives it a better full, complete look to it. So this will flash for 1 second at single flash 300, give it a nice extra punch. So how you would set this up is that you'll create an event here. So we'll say trio level 3. So we'll go into slide switch is slide 3, and if this car, if we had this OBD integrated, you would probably want to do, you know, vehicle or something and put it to trans as in drive or something. So just do that for now. And what this will do is we'll go into virtual inputs, click go to next state, and this will start the virtual input VI trio. So because this is on, it'll, you know, since this is off, it'll turn on and then go to the next state. So you could also easily do this just by using the slide. So slide 3, go to next state, slide 1, set to off, slide 2, set to off, and then off, set to off. So then that will make sure it turns on and also turns off, more importantly. And that's how you set up a tricolor pattern, that is your own pattern, in Whelen Command. If you have any other questions or are having difficulty with this, please let me know, leave a comment. And again, I always like to plug them. Check out the Whelen Command group on Facebook. It is a wealth of knowledge there. Multiple people from Whelen and also people who deal with the software specifically are in there and are there to help you out if you have a hardware, software issues, anything that's a little bit more complicated that may require Whelen's assistance. They're there to help you. So thank you all for watching. I hope this has helped you out.